Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day at Casa de Carmela. Need to get started on some of the resort chores. Loki is on patrol. I've washed down this deck area. Watered the bamboo plants. Oh, look who's hiding in the plants. Lidu likes to guard these plants. What? Good morning. So, let's finish a few chores. Today looks like a good day for ping pong. Let's set that up. So a few years ago, our Sears store went out of business. Well, they closed this one here in Beaverton, the Washington Square Mall. But before they did, they put a ping pong table, a really nice one, an outdoor version, on sale for like half price, so like under $300. It's been an amazing deal. The store's really nicely there, so we haven't played it as much as I would have liked because Carmela now works a night shift, so she spends her days sleeping. Where are you going? It's 6:30 a.m. in case I didn't mention that earlier. I'm just now going to go over to Fred Meyer, the center of my universe, get something to eat for the day, although we do have food. Carmela found a Kubo restaurant. Bahay Kubo is a Filipino word for the Japanese, the bamboo style huts that they build to live in, sleep in. And Kubo is the name of a Filipino restaurant she discovered over in Bethany Village. Never been there before. She ordered takeout. Everything's takeout nowadays, of course. And she said it was, average. She got her normal Filipino cuisine there. And I walked around the area. There's a bunch of other little restaurants there. Not bad. It's about a 20-minute drive. Not bad at all, really, but I don't know, maybe a couple of times a month she might do that, just when she gets the hankering for some Filipino food. This is Beaverton when there's no traffic. On this side, we've got the post office coming up. Kind of nice stuff on display here. Look at these cups. I've got this one. Left cup. I don't think that's very attractive. These are all plastic. There's a glass one. Pretty cool. Let's get in line. So this is my green juice drink every morning. Let's give it a try. It's actually quite good. You wanna know what's in it? Ashwagandha, moringa, matcha green tea, chlorella, spirulina, turmeric, red beet, wheatgrass, lemon, coconut water. Comes in I guess that's like a 2-week supply. And the packets are in there. Nice. It's very good for on the go if you're traveling. Those are really compact. Now, I have one of these in the morning and I really feel like I don't have to eat anything, so it's definitely a weight management tool. It's providing your body with all sorts of great nutrients. This is not a sponsored endorsement, by the way. I'm not even going to tell you who makes it. I guess I will. It's Organifi. It's just, I saw the ad online and the guy talking about it was very convincing, so I thought I would give it a try. Cheers. Now, it does get a little silty down here, so I don't always drink the bottom part. And probably there's other ways so you can mix it. I just use cold water. Best served cold, it says. But you could probably add it to a variety of other kinds of smoothie drinks if you're into that kind of thing. I am much more minimalistic when it comes to my morning breakfast. Keep it simple. Is that so? There they are, back to back. So, here's a project. I'm putting in this floor. Just gonna finish up this one strip. I had to open up a new container of the glue. This is not a floating floor, it's a glued floor. And in case you ever need to know how to do this, I'm just going to show you. It's pretty easy. You got a lot of prep work to do as you pull up the carpet and the padding. I've just been doing that in strips because I've only been working on this whole floor project for a couple of months now, but on the weekends is the only time I really have to do it. And so I can cut the carpet out in sections and throw it away in the normal trash because it's not too much. Once you got the glue down there, you just I've already placed the boards once to check them out. It's always a good idea. Make sure there's no problems that you need to solve first. Done deal. So, yes, as you can see, we went all the way through here. Hi, Carmela.
Hi, love.
How's your lunch?
Alright.
What are you eating?
Pork barbecue.
Pork barbecue and rice.
Yeah.
Did you make some for me?
No.
Guess I'm on my own for lunch. So, I think we'll end the vlog right there. It'll give you an idea of what I go through every weekend to maintain the little casa we have here. And I hope you enjoyed it. Share, like, and subscribe. And time for some guitar practice.